Linear programming. Linear programming is very good subject of the basics of using the basics in MSc and degree level. Based on these basics, we can find we use implementing a engineering and chemical, business and biological and medical all areas we are using the applications. Next, objective function constraints. Objective function constraints are either greater than or equal to 0 or less than or equal to 0 or equal to 0. It is suppose the given equation having greater than or equal to 0, we can change it to equals to 0 by using of surplus variables minus x and y in this. The same way, less than or equals to 0 inequality equation, we want change into equal equation by using of slack variables. It is called, whenever we are adding the variable, it is called slack variable. We are separating the variable, it is called the surplus variable. These using of values, we can calculate the basic solution. Finding a basic solution, we get a basic feasible solution. For example, what is the meaning of basic feasible solution means? We are finding the values of x1, x2, x3, x4. The value of z having different, for example, z equals to 20, z equals to 30, z equals to 40. In this, we want min z, min z equals to 20, 30, 40. Instead of 20, 30, 40, min is 20. So that min z equals to 20. The satisfying of min z equals to 20 variables is called the basic feasible basic solution, basic variables. Remaining are called the basic feasible variables or solutions. The point of convex set is called the extreme point of capital X. The all feasible solution area is called the convex set. Bounded set. Bounded set means a set is bounded, means it having a min and max, the initial value and external value, ending value. These type of geometric solutions, we use the given equation into unique optimum solution, unique optimal solutions of alternative optional solutions, and unbounded optimal variables, unbounded optimal solution existence, empty feasible reasons. The definition of degeneracy. Degeneracy is nothing but the given characteristic values is more than n constraints. For example, given equation having a n equations, m unknowns. In this n greater than or equals to m, then it is called the degeneracy. Capital Ax less than or equals to b, that are active at x dash. Optimal basis means nothing but the basic variables having satisfying the boundary conditions. Simplex algorithm. In the simplex algorithm, we use the vertex x dash. While x dash is not optimal, we use x dash equals to x star equals to x dash and changing to transportation. Simplest algorithm basic notation. In this basic notation, we are using the capital B is basic values, basic variables. It having 1 by n, 1 column, n rows. Simplex. Standard maximization form of objective function constraints in the form of less than or equal to equation RHS value is always positive. Using of these simplex, we are finding a given problem into boundary value problem. In this boundary values is Z. Already we have taken the slack variables S1, S2, S3. These are the boundaries. And optimum feasible Z, either minimum or maximum. The values of in this Z equals to 1. The quotient of Z equals to 1. X1 coefficient is minus 30. X2 coefficient is minus 20. Because of it is a maximization problem, we are changing to minimization, so that we, instead of 30 we are using minus 30, instead of 20 we are using minus 20. In this optimum feasible, we are not adding any slack or surplus, so that we use the 0 0 coefficients in this. S1 Z having 0, x1 equals to 2, x2 equals to 1, s1 equals to 1. And v1 equals to 100. x1 1, x2 1, s2 1, v2 equals to 80. s3 1, x1 1, x2 x3 zeros, s3 is 1, v3 equals to 40. Using of these equations, we are implementing the problems. For the time being, we go to next one, primal and dual. Suppose the given problem having primal, we can change into dual. Maximum is minimum, minimum is maximum, and the variables of A is A transpose matrix and X is X transpose matrix. Changing of these dual problem, avoiding of confusion, we are changing variables x1, x2 to y1, y2. These references, we conclude the linear optimization form of standard optimization problem.